हेलो माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस यूट्यूब चैनल पर आप तमाम बच्चों का रमन क्लासेस की ओर से हार्दिक स्वागत। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू इंट्रोड्यूस myself Raman Kumar Yadav has brought a nice video for class 10 CBSE, subject biology, chapters name life processes। बच्चों, आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को बताऊंगा अबाउट मैकेनिज्म ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस। How does green plant make their own food? How does green plant make their own food? What is the mechanism by which green plants make their own food? Let us try to understand here without skipping my video. I would like to request to all students, please maintain the continuity of watching this video up to the end without skipping it. Without wasting your time, I would like to come to the point. तो आइए तो देखें कि this is the biochemical process. This is biochemical process, means biological as well as chemical process by which green plants make their own food by using the raw material carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. As we know, green plants looks like green in color. It happens due to presence of plastids. Here plastids is of three types: chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast. Chloroplast, this is one of the most important green plastids. It also contains chlorophyll pigment, due to which green plants appear green in color. First of all, this chloroplast has mainly two regions. One is grana region or another is stroma region. One is grana region or another is stroma region. Grana region is responsible for light reaction of photosynthesis, whereas stroma region is responsible for dark phase of photosynthesis. Really, scientist Melvin Kelvin explained that photosynthesis takes place by using raw material carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. This happens into two phases. One is the light phase or another is dark phase. The part of photosynthesis which takes place in the presence of the sunlight, this is called light phase, and the part of photosynthesis which takes place in the absence of light, this is called as dark phase. Under this light phase, what types of mechanism takes place? What kind of chemical reaction happens? We will study one by one. In this mechanism of photosynthesis, green plants absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Water is also taken from the soil via root with the help of the xylem tissue. This is carried up to the leafy part of the plant. Further, this chemical reaction, this biological process is also completed in the following phases. First phase, that is the light phase. Under this light phase, the following functions take place. First is absorption of sunlight. लाइट फेज में सबसे पहले सनलाइट का एब्जॉर्प्शन होता है, स्पेशली द लीफी पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट which is the main site of photosynthesis, where chlorophyll is known as the kitchen of the cell. Chlorophyll को kitchen of the cell कहते हैं. Here solar energy is also captured in the grana region of chloroplast. Chloroplast के grana region में solar energy का capturing होता है. This energy is also stored in the form of ADP as well as NADP. Do you know what is the full form of ADP? Adenosine diphosphate. Adenosine diphosphate. ADP का फुल फॉर्म हुआ ADP. Adenosine diphosphate. दूसरा है ATP. इसका फुल फॉर्म देखिए, एडिनोसिन ट्राइफॉस्फेट. एडिनोसिन ट्राइफॉस्फेट. NADP, इट्स फुल फॉर्म इज निकोटीन एमाइड एडिनिन डाई न्यूक्लियोटाइड फॉस्फेट. निकोटीन एमाइड एडेनिन डाइन्यूक्लियोटाइड फॉस्फेट. दिस इज द फुल फॉर्म ऑफ NADP. Whatever the energy stored in the leafy part of the plant, this is recorded in the form of ADP and NADP. Now second stage, this energy is also utilized for splitting of water. Here water is also split into hydrogen and oxygen by the application of this solar energy stored priorly. After splitting one molecule of water, 4 electrons are also emitted. This energy is also stored in ADP. Further, this ADP energy is also converted in the form of ATP. When ADP reacts with another phosphatic group, by the application of energy, they chemically combine together and the energy is also converted in the form of ATP. This process is said to be photophosphorylation. ये photophosphorylation है. This is the biochemical reaction in which ADP is converted to ATP. This both processes take place under the light phase of photosynthesis. It takes place in the presence of the sunlight. That's why we can say this is the light phase of photosynthesis. Now another, this NADP, अब यह NADP एनर्जी जो प्रायरली बना, this NADP again comes in contact with hydrogen. NADP combines with hydrogen and they form NADPH. The formation of NADPH from NADP, that is called as reduction reaction. Pay attention here. The fourth step, reduction. रिडक्शन में क्या होता है? NADP जो एनर्जी करेंसी है, यह अब हाइड्रोजन से रिएक्ट करता है, नेसेंट हाइड्रोजन से, और बनाता है NADPH. इस प्रोसेस को क्या कहते हैं? रिडक्शन कहते हैं. एडिशन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन विद द केमिकल सब्सटेंस, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज रिडक्शन. Here NADP when combines with nascent hydrogen, they form NADPH. Its full form is reduced nicotine amide adenine dinucleotide फॉस्फेट, यह इसका फुल फॉर्म है। तो यू हैव जस्ट गॉट द इंफॉर्मेशन। अंडर द लाइट फेज फोटोलाइसिस ऑफ वाटर हैपेंस, फोटोफॉस्फोरिलेशन, जिसके द्वारा एडीपी का कन्वर्सन एटीपी में होता है। नेक्स्ट है रिडक्शन, NADP is also reduced to NADPH. These three steps are completed under this light phase. Now you will study about the dark phase just now. So आइए तो देखें about the dark phase. How does it happen? During the light phase of photosynthesis, NADPH, hydrogen ion, ATP, these are formed. These energy, NADPH, hydrogen ion, ATP, plus carbon dioxide from atmosphere, these are taken. The chemical combination takes place between them. The chemical reaction takes place between them in the presence of RUBP enzyme. RUBP enzyme. Do you know what is the full form of RUBP enzyme? Ribulose biphosphate. This enzyme is secreted from yeast, that is a kind of unicellular organism. यह यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म है, यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म. This enzyme helps to carry out the chemical reaction. Further, food is also manufactured. This is also stored in the form of starch. अब यह फूड का फॉर्मेशन स्टार्च के फॉर्म में होता है. Further, NADP is also produced. ADP, this is also obtained. Phosphatic group, that is also collected. तो here dark phase में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैस was taken from the atmosphere by the green plants. This comes in contact with NADPH plus hydrogen and ATP. They chemically combine together and food is manufactured in the form of starch. This food is also stored in the form of starch in the plant body. This starch is also distributed among all plant body cells by the osmosis process, and by the cellular oxidation of this starch a lot of energy is also generated. That energy is enough for the growth of the cells, for the growth of the cell organelles. In this way, this biochemical reaction, photosynthesis, happens in the cyclic order. This was studied by Malvin and Kelvin, scientists. That's why this mechanism of photosynthesis is also named as Malvin-Kelvin cycle. This type of chemical reaction involved during the dark phase of photosynthesis. बच्चों, आज का यह वीडियो आपको कैसा लगा? यदि आज का यह वीडियो आपके लिए बेनिफिशियल हो तो प्लीज़ रमन क्लासेस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें और अपने दोस्तों को अवश्य शेयर करें. लेते हैं तब तक के लिए विदा. धन्यवाद.